Are European options good for beginners? Are European options a good choice for beginners in options trading? Let's break this down to see how they fit into the learning journey of new traders. European options are unique because they can only be exercised on the expiration date. This is different from American options, which can be exercised at any time before or on expiration. This key difference simplifies the decision-making process for beginners. With European options, traders do not need to constantly monitor the market to decide when to exercise. This can be a relief for those just starting out, as it reduces the pressure of timing their trades perfectly. Instead, beginners can focus on understanding the underlying asset's price movement as it approaches the expiration date. Another appealing aspect is that European options typically have lower premiums compared to American options. This means that beginners can enter the market with less upfront cost. For someone learning the ropes, this can be a more budget-friendly way to gain experience without risking too much capital. Predictability is also a strong point for European options. Since the exercise date is fixed, traders can better anticipate potential outcomes. This allows beginners to concentrate on how the underlying asset's price at expiration will impact the option's value. It removes the added complexity of early exercise, which can often lead to confusion. However, there is a downside to consider. If the underlying stock price moves favorably before expiration, holders of European options cannot exercise early to capture those profits. This limitation might seem like a disadvantage, but it can also help prevent impulsive decisions that inexperienced traders might make. Many index options are European style, making them a common choice for beginners interested in trading index options. This exposure can help new traders learn about options in a more straightforward manner. When it comes to valuation, European options are often assessed using the Black-Scholes model. This model provides a clear mathematical framework for pricing options. Beginners can use this model to understand how factors like volatility, time to expiration, and strike price affect option prices. In practical terms, European options can be a great starting point for beginners. They simplify the exercise decision and help reduce some risks associated with early exercise. However, it is important for beginners to remember that they cannot take advantage of favorable price movements before expiration. This requires a different approach to managing their positions compared to American options. Overall, European options offer a straightforward introduction to options trading. They are especially suitable for those focusing on index options or who prefer a more predictable and cost-effective way to learn the mechanics of options trading.